Hello friends, welcome to today's video where we're going to explore a fascinating topic, Kubernetes versus OpenShift. I promise to keep things simple and easy to digest to make this journey enjoyable for all of you. Let's dive right in and start by understanding the key differences between Kubernetes and OpenShift. Both are fantastic container orchestration platforms, but they have distinct characteristics that cater to different use cases. Kubernetes, the open source giant. Think of it as the base model of a car. It gives you the essentials and a solid framework to work with. Kubernetes is like your trusty Swiss Army knife in the container world. OpenShift, on the other hand, is Red Hat's secret sauce added to Kubernetes. It's like upgrading that base model car to a luxury SUV, complete with additional features and enhancements. Now, let's talk about when and where you might want to use these platforms. Kubernetes shines when you need flexibility. It's like a magician's hat. You can pull out any container and make it work. Use Kubernetes for stateless, stateful, and batch workloads. From web apps to databases, Kubernetes can handle it all. For instance, deploying a web application using Kubernetes is like assembling a Lego set. You have your pods, services, and configurations to build the perfect solution. It's DIY at its finest. Kubernetes Best Practice 1, use Helm for package management. It's like using a shopping cart in a supermarket, a more organized and efficient way to get the groceries or, in this case, applications you need. Kubernetes Best Practice 2, embrace Prometheus for monitoring. Just like having a watch on your wrist, Prometheus keeps track of everything so you don't have to. Now, let's see where OpenShift shines. OpenShift is your go-to platform when you need an enterprise-ready, all-inclusive solution. It's like checking into an all-inclusive resort. Everything is taken care of. Imagine creating a developer-friendly environment with OpenShift, where source-to-image S2I magically transforms your code into containers. It's like having your own personal assistant. Hey, S2I, turn my code into a container, please. OpenShift Best Practice 1, leverage integrated CI/CD with pipelines. It's like having a conveyor belt in a factory, automating your application deployment process from start to finish. OpenShift Best Practice 2, enjoyed the Red Hat commercial support. Think of it as having a dedicated IT concierge at your service, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Some organizations choose to have the best of both worlds. They use Kubernetes as the core orchestration layer and OpenShift on top to add extra features. It's like having a sports car Kubernetes with the luxury SUV OpenShift features. This hybrid approach allows you to tackle a wide range of use cases, from mission-critical enterprise applications to scaling and deploying web services rapidly. In conclusion, when choosing between Kubernetes and OpenShift, consider your specific needs. Are you up for a bit of DIY action with Kubernetes, or do you prefer the all-inclusive OpenShift experience? And don't forget, sometimes a mix of both can be the perfect recipe for success. Thank you for joining us today in this exploration of Kubernetes versus OpenShift. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. As IT professionals, you're now armed with the knowledge to make the right choice for your container orchestration needs. Right choice for your